Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best baby hair moisturizer is probably one of the most sought-after products for parents of black babies, given the unique needs of their delicate hair. Finding the perfect moisturizer can be a game-changer, ensuring your little one's hair stays healthy, hydrated, and looking its absolute best, while also being gentle enough for their sensitive scalp. This video will dive into the top contenders, helping you make an informed decision for your precious baby. Number 5. Era Organics Healing Ointment. This is a gentle, natural moisturizer perfect for sensitive skin. It's made with USDA-certified organic ingredients and is safe for even the most delicate skin. It's been approved by the National Eczema Association, dermatologist tested, and pediatrician recommended. You can trust it to soothe and heal your baby's skin. This 100% natural healing ointment provides immediate soothing relief and accelerates recovery. It's formulated to support long-term skin health. It's a super blend of nature's best ingredients like chamomile, calendula, and colloidal oats. It's effective for eczema, cradle cap, minor wounds, rashes, and hives. It focuses on soothing itch, redness, and irritation. But it also supports overall skin health for a lifetime of comfort. It's proudly made in the USA with sustainably sourced and ethically harvested ingredients. It's free of perfumes, chemicals, parabens, dyes, and fillers. What we like? It's USDA certified organic and perfect for soothing sensitive skin. If your baby suffers from eczema or cradle cap, this is a great option. Its all-natural ingredients make it a safe and effective choice for your little one's delicate skin. What people say. I've used it on my babies as diaper rash ointment, for cradle cap, as lip balm, and even just as a really rich nighttime moisturizer. It was the only thing that worked on getting rid of the dry patches on my baby's skin. Literally overnight her skin is smooth. This product has not caused any discomfort for her and she is on her third bottle. Number 4. Frida Baby Cradle Cap Kit. Say goodbye to cradle cap with our complete solution. It's a 3-step system that gently cleanses, hydrates, and protects your baby's delicate scalp. Start with our gentle shampoo. It softens and removes those pesky flakes, leaving your baby's scalp feeling clean and refreshed. Next, apply our soothing scalp mask. It deeply moisturizes and nourishes, helping to prevent future dryness and flaking. Finish with our hydrating scalp spray. It locks in moisture, leaving your baby's scalp soft, healthy, and flake-free. It's hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested, so you can rest assured it's gentle on your little one's sensitive skin. It's also free of harsh chemicals like phthalates, parabens, and sulfates. What we like? This 3-step cradle cap treatment system is dermatologist tested and safe for your baby. If you're looking for a complete solution to treat and prevent cradle cap, this kit is for you. It's gentle, effective, and will leave your baby's scalp healthy and flake-free. What people say. Within 2 washes with this mask it looked very cleared up. This stuff is so amazing, it cleared up my son's cradle cap in less than a week. It was almost all done after 1 use. Number 3. SheaMoisture Kids Curl Trio. Give your child's curls the love they deserve with our amazing 3-product set. It's specially designed to hydrate, detangle, and define those beautiful curls, leaving them soft and shiny. Start with our 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It gently cleanses and conditions, leaving curls soft and manageable. It's formulated with fair trade shea butter, coconut oil, and hibiscus flower for extra care. Next, use our extra moisturizing detangler. It makes combing a breeze, leaving curls smooth, hydrated, and defined. It works wonders on both wet and dry hair. Finish with our curl butter cream. This styling cream adds extra moisture and shine, keeping curls defined and healthy all day long. It's the perfect finishing touch for bouncy, beautiful curls. This complete system is formulated without silicones, sulfates, parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, or petrolatum, making it gentle and safe for your child's delicate hair. Enjoy the delightful fragrance kids love. With our specially formulated products, you can help your child embrace their natural curls with confidence. It's a simple routine for healthy, happy, and shiny curls. What we like? This 3-piece set is perfect for washing and styling your child's curly hair. If you have a child with curls that need extra moisture and shine, this is the perfect choice. It's formulated without harsh chemicals, making it gentle on delicate hair. What people say. This dead angle cream was great. My hair is thick and long and I was able to use it after washing my with very little breakage. This line is an absolute lifesaver. It is the only thing that helps my daughter's curly hair to be manageable. Purchased for a young lady with very curly thick hair. It's great. Works wonderfully. Number 2. Coconut Essentials Baby Oil. Does your baby suffer from cradle cap? It's specially formulated with organic coconut oil to gently soothe and promote healthy hair growth. Say goodbye to cradle cap and hello to a happy, healthy scalp. This 100% organic oil is a natural and safe way to moisturize your baby's delicate skin. It keeps your little one's skin soft and smooth, without harsh chemicals. It's perfect for soothing massage time with your baby. This versatile oil is gentle enough for both babies and adults, relieving dryness and redness. Is your baby's skin extra sensitive? It's completely chemical-free, making it ideal for even the most delicate skin. It gently addresses dryness and redness. This everyday moisturizer protects and softens skin for the whole family. Organic coconut oil keeps skin healthy and soft, making it an essential part of your daily routine. What we like. Made with 100% organic coconut, sunflower, and grapeseed oils, it's a natural moisturizer for baby's delicate skin. If you're looking for a gentle way to treat cradle cap or soothe dry skin, this oil is a great option. It's also perfect for a gentle massage. What people say. It easily melts and spreads nicely, smells like real coconuts and not the synthetic kind. Since my daughter was born we have been battling cradle cap. I received this product Tuesday night and put a small amount just to see what it would do. When she woke up the next morning she had flakes for days. So I decided to cover the front of her hair in it and the end result is on her baby Frida comb. Needless to say, it worked and didn't take out a whole lot of her hair in the process. She is now completely cradle cap free. Good quality oil I use for my 1-month baby massages and it easily removed the cradle cap, dry skin while moisturizing the skin, much better than other cradle cap creams in the market. Number 1. Baby Don't Be Bald Hair Treatment. Say goodbye to hair worries. This all-natural hair and scalp nourishment is perfect for the whole family. It's gentle enough for even the youngest ones. We use only the finest natural ingredients to create this nourishing treatment. It's safe and effective for all ages. It gently cleanses and nourishes both your hair and scalp, leaving them healthy and revitalized. See the difference it makes. This amazing product is suitable for everyone in the family, from toddlers to seniors. It's a family-friendly solution for healthy hair. This convenient 4-ounce bottle is perfect for travel and everyday use. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine. Experience the revitalizing power of nature's finest ingredients. Get yours today and see the results for yourself. What we like. This all-natural hair and scalp nourishment is suitable for all ages. If you are looking for a natural way to promote hair growth and nourish your baby's scalp, this is a great choice. Its gentle formula is suitable for even the most sensitive scalps. What people say. This product moisturizes his hair and smells pretty good. It's also making his hair that fell out grow back. After receiving this product and using about a half a jar, I can really see my hair growing in now. My baby's hair stopped pulling. I see new growth coming. It nourishes real good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.